Hello and welcome. You're watching the Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarumbai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Rapling's natural beauty marred by littering. Community calls for cleanliness. Colleges collaborates for waste management and segregation project. CMKHEDC inspects illegal sand extraction site in border village. And International Conference explores urban imaginaries and indigenous cultures in Meghalaya. Another news in detail. Rapling, a picturesque gem in the heart of Mairang, is grappling with a pressing issue as visitors continue to neglect the importance of maintaining its pristine environment. Today, the Rapling community took a stand against this growing problem, using the power of media to issue a stern warning to tourists and visitors alike. At a press conference held at the Shillong Press Club, Saibor Warba, a member of the executive committee of the Rapling community, addressed the media. With a backdrop of Rapling's breathtaking natural beauty, Warba urged all visitors and tourists to abide by the rules set forth by the tourist spot, emphasizing the importance of not littering with plastic wraps or other refuse. The Rapling community is deeply committed to preserving the natural wonder of the area and hopes that this media-driven appeal will encourage visitors to respect the rules and take action to minimize pollution in the region.
Ray ban kan mau papiwan ban purom ya kami marian ke cumi kabang idon ki plang ki internet kamadan ka bakut kaba ngimyo iya kan ono cing capok cing capan mantan Henry lada kini ki parlok cumi ki bawan ban syangkai seperti ki cakap cumi ki wan harata perkom bakin sugar bathan ya ke bitor plastik dari plastik ke kira lain lagi wan hago kom lagi wan sedai dak mensiu tentang ada jeng snow comment jeng song ship kum yu pen Peit ke bitor ada ke jeng syak ke jeng wai ngi ba kalong ke jeng tak pat nak ke jeng ku profesional beri itu ba kita bicara ke ba nak yang jauh kiperlok ke babon ke cungi ke semua panduan kamdai tak cakap ke syurong pelang baik kadai ke cakap apa kino ber cungi kidon hakapor nak kapor sekapor makin ber kidon ru ke cakap apa warti kena syarai masih belang bagi leban syarai ke masih belang ke cungi de ni segmen nak ada yang ke cungi ke profesional ban Peit ya ke bitor ke paci ke cakap pelang mana dari cungi tenaga kadau ni sekolah berpat atau semurid syaki paralog ke cungi baru ba nangis setemat ba bapiwan cekiti ke cakap cungi kibah apa ka cimpet cungi cuma nasional cungi kim sekolah ban nak mensir ke ba bapiwan kenmaru ban kurom ya ke marian dah kapal kuat dia suka kiai di bagian rakyat Taiwan berkat pangan berat dan yang pangan suku Jawa itu bercakap satu dan berpai kini kendon kecungi kenapa minum sirjini hadirin awak kibadai kaba nak kadang kecungi se yang kata senjam kaba angin akan berkat membaca kusinau dengan sui bagi cingwan mendakan lah pelong kecungi nampak cungi Andai hak lu berupa membangin bu iki volunteers nasi kaki pol bersamaan misalkan beti kenai tak pemudai melakukan sulit kaki nono kamlong dan kata-kata mengenai hadir bagi nilai ban pensau ni lagi nilai yo ban pet nang ini ki cingkap hai kubor becung ngin sa nang le ban berhan ada yang cungi kesyong nono ban te rekam ya kinongwan ka isya kesyong becung ka kau ini dicakap kepada penong ya tulis penwan mana formuli ini kemadan Rapling berkata kemadan Rapling dari cakap berpelang sudah batang tengah ini bakal porba polior lagi porba wan rumah kamtam gini kita tulis wan nasi baju kesakit ki yak kemen tang pan Peit yo rumah But come tak maka portolan kapalong plang long madan atau pom kibapu kibewan ki like kemen rengkat tang tak plang nak kuat itu makam dan ka jinglong malong ki plang ki kuat dan cepai jadi kita apa ki sutunan malong.
Mairang Sangshong Eastern West Khasi Hills District on September 28, 2023 in a significant step towards environmental sustainability. The Mairang Presbyterian Science College and the Science Department of Sinat College Shillong jointly launched a waste management and waste segregation project during a meeting held in the college hall in Mairang Sangshong. The inauguration of this pioneering initiative was graced by Professor Sadhan Kumar Ghosh, hailing from Kolkata and also serving as the president of the Indian Solid Waste Management Association of West Bengal. Professor Ghosh was joined by esteemed guests including Dr. R. Lindo, the principal of Sinat College Shillong, Reverend A.I. Kharshieng, president of the governing body, and Mr. R. Thankyu, president of Mairang Presbyterian Science College, along with enthusiastic teachers and students. The primary objective of this project is to foster awareness about the critical need for segregating waste into two distinct categories, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. With this initiative, the colleges aim to promote responsible waste disposal practices and contribute to a cleaner, healthier environment for all.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. I'm very happy coming to this Mairang town. This is my first time and I am overwhelmed by the reception by the principal, the president of the governing council, the principal of Sinat College, teachers and students and staff of this college. The chairman, Reverend A.I. Kharshieng, president governing council, Sri R. Thankyu, the principal of this college, Dr. R.M. Lindo, my friend for quite a long time, the principal Sinat College, Dr. Karma Flong, where is she? To implement in reality in this EDC town. I have been working on the waste management since 1999. When I talked to the Pollution Control Board chairman and secretary, that saying no to plastic is not the solution, but survive with plastic and control the use of plastics. That is the main thing. And then a lot of activities, a lot of work. From 2017, I thought that I must do something where the waste management in the country is very, very poor, but which is very essential. That is the Northeast India. The waste management in Northeast India for quite a long time was not looked into very carefully and very effectively. So I was just thinking that how to go about. So we had number of activities in other part of India, like Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, in West Bengal. But I was searching a right leader for Northeast India, whom I can rely on and whose team will really a good doer. And I found it. Like Dr. Lingo was saying that 2019, the first contact lady, she is here, Dr. Karma Pham, she called me on right mail. I could not, remember, but she told us, sir, we are planning a program, so we need you. I told, yeah, sure. Then the curse of COVID came. 2020, she again contacted me. Sir, we'll be fixing the program and are you ready? I told you just fix the time in consultation with me and I will try. Then again she told, no sir, we are planning because of problems and other. 2021, then it was finalized. And I was just seeing the message. I have all the messages from him. Then the day comes when I could not come to Shillong, but it was an online program. And I delivered my lecture on circular economy, waste management and other things. But I was keeping in my mind that I have to do something with this college, because for the last 3 years, if the college sustained this desire that we have to hold a program on waste management and they are coming to the reality, so they can do it. Then after the lecture, a mail or message sent to me that, sir, send your bank details so that we can give you a honorarium. So I told no. I'll not send you the bank detail, but I have a proposal. So this honorarium will be a seed money for your college. But you must be interested to install a waste management facility in your college. And then she spoke to the principal immediately agreed. And then I discussed in the governing council of our International Society of Waste Management, Air and Water, that apart from that honorarium of mine, a seed money should be given to this college. So on 1st December 2021, it was inaugurated. And it was inaugurated, I have given a very big platform to them that we have an international conference on sustainable waste management and circular economy, where around 87 countries participated. So we gave them a slot of 10 minutes for that inaugural session. And they made it. They made the inauguration program. I also delivered speech in the online. Dr. Lindo is there. Number of people, number of teachers, number of students who enjoyed that program, and it was inaugurated. And from then, every time their teacher, including Karma, she is in touch with me. We are giving the procedure, they are making the procedure, they are giving the. So I got a very competent and dynamic and interested leadership for my project implementation in Northeast Asia, Northeast India. So I request all of you to give a big hand to Dr. Lindo and Dr. Karma and their team. Ideas, so they will flourish and our society will flourish. And this will be the services to the nation for the sustainable development, sustainable environment. So in that way, they started talking to. Then we decided that we will give, I have already taken the decision in the governing council that we will give grant to 5 schools and colleges. And as a matter of fact, with their endeavor, we could identify Mairang Presbyterian Science College. Nongstin Science College. Science College? Okay. Nongstin Synod College. And there are 2 schools which will be inaugurated on 30th of this month. Now let us come to this college. I am very happy and I must convey my gratitude that the governing council, governing body of this college and the principal, including the teachers, has given the concept and they have shown their interest to install the waste management system. And also the Nongstin Synod College has taken the decision that they will also install it. What is waste management? Why we are interested? You know that the main problem is we are consuming more and more. 20 years back we don't have any mobile. After coming to the school, whenever we go back only, then our parents know that my son and daughter is okay. But today, after reaching the school, Mommy, I reached. After taking the tiffin, Mommy, I have finished the tiffin. Before boarding the bus to go to the school residence, Mommy, I am just boarding the bus. Yes, be safe. It is not necessary. But our desire of consuming materials, consuming system is more and more today. And that is the problem in our society. This mobile, I had the first mobile 22 years back in Kolkata. I used that mobile, the first mobile for 5-6 years. But today, after 1 year or 2 years only, the version is changed and people say, no, this is old. So, Papa, give me a new mobile. What you are doing? Oh, useless, throw it away. And this throw it away concept bring us to a problematic situation of environment. Throw it away. Chairman Saab was telling that waste is a problem today. But for me, we have gathered waste, we have been generating waste, but now this waste becomes a scope for us to generate business, to generate employment. You have to look into it in this way, that waste management is a very, very important activity for us to reduce the consumption pattern, to utilize the waste which we are generating from our day-to-day life. It is waste from the kitchen, waste from the market and shopping center, waste from day-to-day activity. We separated this waste into 3. Number 1, wet waste, WET, which is having moisture and water. So those are all biodegradable. If you put it in the soil, after some time, this will be vanished, but it becomes like principles of Linge was saying, that they are putting this waste into the compost.
Panyat Singh Siem, the Chief Executive Member CM of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC, conducted an on-site inspection today at Pilankata, a village straddling the border of Meghalaya and Assam. The visit was prompted by the escalating tensions in the region due to the illicit extraction of sand by a private individual in defiance of strict prohibitions imposed by the district council. CM's aim was joined by representatives from the Hima Milim and the district administration, as well as several interest groups, including the Khasi Students Union, KSU, North Khasi Hills District, and the Hnyothrap National Youth Federation, HNYF Northern Region. The illegal sand extraction in Pilankata had led to confrontations and discontent among the local residents who were vehemently opposed to this activity. The KHADC had previously issued clear directives against such unauthorized sand mining operations, emphasizing the importance of preserving the environment and maintaining the region's ecological balance.
District kabadon hapo kajingya kran jing penbet sokar Assam te dang yo jing tip pakadon kajingya kaja bedep ka roi ka ke development la dang makala ka diga skim te bedep kani ngelayo bani kran deputy chief minister belong chairman joka regional committees hak bedep bat karibhoi district kabang yeshong ban penbet yang kani ka phase 2 te hakani ka wat ka baar ka jing penbet food hakdeng ka Meghalaya ba Assam nakaliang jongi kum ka district council ni longko ki member nakaliang jonga kum CM nakaliang jong EM in charge laka but local MDC jeni but ki local MLA te ngilong number but yang kan kam la pentip but ngin sa shimkia regional committees kenang banyo penbet na baro aliang na mahaka last meeting ke badang syudap haka meeting ke bakhadu badang syudap hapo guest house Assam Guwahati ngia keren na baro atli ki regional committees na kaliang ka sokar Meghalaya but sokar Assam bangin don kajing late site inspection hapo spot te ngin hata Nila dadan kanu ke ba penwit pat da komuni kuntai betha ya deputy commissioner ban Peit makanam dan kanu ke jing sya penwit ke jing ya wanra ekalon order hakani kishnok ke ba ya keren ta la kalian ke council imbaksi ban betha ya deputy secretary charge ekalan department ke sponsor ban file ke complaint sya magistrate DC office buat ke FIR polis mabedi kan tenrei dang mentap patang yo tip ba dang menin la penpoi ka jingkho NC jaka si mrat mamulim ba ke kanir kim shim la ai kan no ka jingbet ya menta kin pha shoi ni ka kam shpo komse ba ngin pendap shoi kan ka shukos
kolong basatai kalau hapot kalau menunggu tanggung sini maruka simpan uang benda-benda banda ya ka resort
kata kan
belum ada bangenle ya ka resort lagi ka resort kita sendok
ladai kana pano ka kamru insyaallah di mentip syah
mari mentip syah
de na taikan baha bangin ai ka kopi jong ni ka syupas na kalian council syai magistrate charge tip ya kan ka illegal activities abe de kajiti kendo bian ke ba lempan jingbet ba yu kendo ru lara syuko Assam bede kan ni sa tip officially sya magistrate yang ka hasil suatu bastis council mentah kasingi nak yang cungi dekat pergi officers mata council pokoknya trailang buat ke district administration Peit district lah dikmat dari magistrate beri Peit yang dikatakan nampak di sektor officer jom polis nampak dan langgut buat akal yang kahimah mulia buat nakarai kami dikmat kahimah mulia di menteri Sotun di Basan Umlong menteri Lang State berkiwi-kiwi te kajingwan kajungi hang ni posnong bilang kata mentah kesini kajing ran lang dekat pergi samla noilam ni sing balang kasih students union jom dekat Hamdi Boy Chen YF berkiwi-kiwi kalong halor pengiyo cintip dangshen bakal don kajing di kendo klaim kanu kajing ajing bet nakal yang ka district administration nak district council dan nak hima hang ni posnong bilang kata ka bangi i mentah ni belum banyak belati ni kendo balakit shimit cepo Assam but nakal yang jungi tang masunyo cintip dang tang shitayo tam menshwa ila wan la phai ki officers jungi sini bala ai ka shukos yumi try jungi ka kendo bakam balong try but ya kata nila isu kumba sandrus ni gini ka shukos notice baun hapan jubab hapo ka katsan singi kumnu long try gini kendo but hapan wanra wat ikikot isla kidulit kiba pensisya bau tau beri makam long try de hadu mentah pengimpat yo kanu ka jing kanika jingtip banwan itu singi bedi nika jingja dan nakaliang jongka council dang mensingi ru binsimit lai i biang bo ke media ada kajing yarap jing patba sinika shinong bumarjan bakladon biang kajing ti bian ni donang ni balpatla syasa deklapen kita ringi namar bawat tang kasyukos ke benikong ru empat jubab dari lasdang yang hikam namar haka syukos ni ong badai ben pensak ni lu sisundan hikam klem 41 ban ajubat bab lu sisai ki kot islah bedi jinglong trai ka kendo Te mentang lawan yang adalah di masuk bentuk pada kumno hapo sisni asni hap poin ya ka cuba nak yang beliau kam renya yo tip bakal dan jitho kapoi ka application sha si meliam dang menen kesini ban pancing bit te kata ka jing pancing bit kan ya laga jom rei yang mentah kini kiberiu kibakam ikini jaka kin hap ban jubab sha hapo arsni syaka kamsir te bat nalor kataru nilabu dah kekendon wala datang wan trei shibet menmet nalalashai ngimban se ban hap ai bat la tha yo deputy secretary jong council ban ai dah kawe ka formal complaint ne ka jingujor syaka district administration bat ka FIR shi police ban kem marduar new pril ba le ya like ya ka ai ka baladan hap council te kani ketika jingawan ke jungi ngets kam la ka jinga kershan lang ringkat nak administration ke himamelium nak taki samla nak sing halang KSU H1F berkuai
Ribhoi College, in collaboration with the Sociology and Philosophy departments along with the IQAC and the Office of International Affairs at Northeastern Hill University, Nehu, has kicked off a 3-day international conference. The event, titled Urban Imaginaries, Indigenous Cultures and Social Policy in the Context of Meghalaya, commenced on September 28th and will run until September 30th, taking place within the serene confines of Ribhoi College's campus. A noteworthy highlight of the conference was a compelling panel discussion titled Identity and Belonging: How Urbanization Impacts Indigenous Communities in Meghalaya. Distinguished panelists included James P.K. Sangma, Chairman of MIDC in Shillong, Alan 3F Dakar, Co-Chairman of the State-Level Public Grievances Committee, Government of Meghalaya, and Professor Parasenjit Biswa, Officer in charge of OIA at Nehu. The event also witnessed the esteemed presence of Panyat Singh Siem, CM of KHADC, who graced the occasion, and professors from various colleges, along with both teachers and students, actively participated in the discussions. The conference's keynote speakers boasts as an international flavor, featuring renowned dignitaries from across the globe. Dr. Adilala Caballero, representing Uppsala University in Sweden, Wesley R. Bishop from Jacksonville State University in Atlanta, USA, and Professor Piyabud Sumetikon, an assistant professor from the Department of Philosophy at Chiang Mai University, Thailand, all contributed their expertise to the event.
Smartphones or stupid phones, whatever you want to call them, you can
akan ni ka aku praterik jonggu menai September arajar apulai ketika sini sedang jongka international conference arajar apulai ka pempenyat da ka department jongka sociology, department philosophy haringkat ke jinga trelang ru jongka IQAC jongka college badru ka Office of National Affairs jongka Nehu kabala long mentah kesni hakaba ka team jong kani ka conference kadai halor ka urban imaginaries, indigenous cultures and social policies in the context of Meghalaya and Northeast India. Dia kani kesni ka program ka lalong ka job hakaba nilayoi ya lainut ki keynote speaker ki bawan na Shillong jong duriau iway na po United States of America, Professor Wesley Bishop, iway na po Sweden, Dr. Adelaida, but iway na po ka University of Chiang Mai, Thailand, i Professor Unan. Te nalor kini ki laingot ki keynote speakers ki bawan, i don ki participants, tani kinong yesem benta ki ban present ki paper hakini ki laisngi, kabay day bat ka theme jong ka conference. Hakaba kiladon ki scholars, ki academicians, ki professors na kajala kajongi na kani kathan chate lamingi Batru na kari India kachongi la kadai na sathi satai na migni sasabi. Ting UI kani ka conference ka jingstang joka kalong ka bejop. Bat ngingit sekan ba kani ka conference kan yak bet berok laisngi klam kanu-kanu kajing betut haringkat kajing ku kajong mulai.
Leaders of the Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People, FKJGP in West Khasi Hills, have expressed deep disagreement with the instruction issued by the Deputy Commissioner to conduct a cleaning drive on October 1st, coinciding with Swachhata Hi Seva, which falls on a Sunday. The designated areas for the cleaning drive include the Nonba River and Nongstoin Market. On September 28th, FKJGP leaders held a meeting with the Deputy Commissioner to address their concerns regarding the scheduled cleaning drive on a Sunday. Jestarlan Linkhoi, a prominent leader of the FKJGP, spoke to the media, stating that he had urged the Deputy Commissioner to consider postponing the cleaning drive to another day. However, the Deputy Commissioner clarified that the order had been issued from the central authorities and he had no authority to alter it. He emphasized that their decision ultimately rested with the people's will. In light of disagreement, the FKJGP union has urged both the public and government employees not to participate in the cleaning drive scheduled for Sunday.
Namar ba mai dang tei si ba trei kam sarkar yang ba mlak ban pen kala tei suang ba isu phak ketum ke order rei unam penpor pada kinong trei la kimon ne kata kin setu hi dan rei nak liang jongi kom ka FKJP ngi penpau ka jing persyak ban ngi penrem ne kana ka jing lek jong ka sarkar ka dei si bental se ka jing sedang ban yu roj ya ka hok jong ki Kristan hapok jongka distrik bat hapok jongka jela. Namar nyui lada ngin penmi order haka singi baki rakhe maki ya ka singi kerpang naka benta ban puja hato ki singa kumno. Namar ba mangi kum ki Kristan ki fer kum ka culture khasi balasai ka singi ka badai sitarek kadai ka singi ka bakerpang naka benta ki jinyesang ijon ki ba penkrek halaki jong ki balang te kumta wat kinong trei sarkar ru nasel ba kibun ba ki Kristan dan rei kane kalong ka harassment ban penbor ba kumno ban penlong ya ta ka program haga singi ke jong play te nakaliang jongi ka sangi ni kerpat e kinong trei sarkar ba kimdei ban lej ban isim benta aga jing pen khoj ya ka ba non ba ya ka yau nong ston bat kham tam ki paj ba nong song nong jong ka West Khasi Hill bangin penpau ba ka jing teli bangin persyak jor ya kena ka jinglek jong ka sarkar pedang lengba ka jing tha au deputy commissioner ba kumno ban penlong ya kena ka program ban penkhoj haswa ban wan kata ka sikha jong umat makanthi men shwa ladangi phai ha ka por ka jong ju isi ya ki kenhun nyam ba fer ndre kena ka sarkar ka jong modi menta ka sarkar BJP bat kena ka sarkar MDA ka ba senrop lang kalong ka ka ba nalor ka ya kublai bat napok pada ka dong da katari bakumno ban penjak klub ya kariti ka dustur bat ya ka jinglong jingim jong kipat rungai Kristan hakeleng kabri unyo trap bat hakajalahi bro kawai.
In a surprising turn of events, the Riwyang community in collaboration with the Nyotrap Youth Council HYC has unlocked the premises of Shakambari Ferro Alloy Private Limited today. This development comes after the women who had gone missing sparked a week-long standoff. On September 22nd, the Riwyang community, supported by HYC, had locked down the operations of Shakambari Ferro Alloy Private Limited, demanding the company's cooperation in locating the missing woman and an employee of the company. Recent reports have revealed that the woman's disappearance was not the result of an abduction by an employee of the company. Instead, it appears to have been a consensual plan between the two individuals. The circumstances surrounding their disappearance are still under investigation.
Lamno etika. Ti na kaliang jungi ka New Tribe Youth Council West Kasil District. Dang hai kini ki sengi kabadai ka haka arpo artrik mentau benai na kaliang jungi ka seng lengkat bakasinong ribiang ngilakang kredep ya ka karkhana ferro alloy kadau jong jingkhang jongi ya kani ka karkhana hakani ka sengi ka long ba wei ubarjala bawan tre hakadi ka karkhana ngisuba ba ulara ya ka wei kalong kmi jong kani ka sinong ti nagaliang ka seng lengkat bakasinong ngisukya halor ke jingle jong ni ti ngila dawa ya kani ka karkhana ba kadai ban penpai no ya kani kalong kmi ti katba ka nampat penpai ya kani kalong kmi nagaliang jungi ka seng lengkat bakasinong nginum sya ba kani ka kana kan trikam bat ngin hadu ba kindawan penpai ya kani kalong kmi ti hadin ba kani ka karkhana rengkat bat ki bor jong ki pulit kila tresitom bat nata kila yo ban pa penwan pai ya kani kalong kmi ti hadin ka jingwan pai jong kani kalong kmi na kaliang jungi kum kaseng rengkat berkasinong menne kasngi ngila yo ban plino ya kani ka karkhana ten rewala ka taru na kaliang jungi kum kaseng rengkat berkasinong ngila bu i ki kendon hakmat jong kani ka company ba nadu menta kinu ki barjala ki bawan ban tre hang ni po jong kani karkhana ki dei ban pentibru isya ka sinong pa ki don kat nongot pada hakaju ko poru na kaliang jongi ka seng rengkat ber ka sinong ngila ong ya kadi ka karkhana ba nang ni sakmat ye kinu ki benta dei ban ye trelang rengkat ber ka sinong ban ngila ong ro ba ka sinong kadai bandon kata ka jing syong ilang hapadeng jong kadi ka karkhana kinong pedia jong kadi karkhana rengkat ber ka sinong ti kita ki jing kren ke jongi bat nginang nagleng jongi kum kaseng ge ha ke bede ba kaning la ai jing beru ke sinong ba kan syong ke dorbar sinong bat ha bede ba ke jing syong joki ke dorbar sinong kinsa ya kren ye ke jing jong ke sinong bat kumta kinsa ra ha ke bede bat kita ki jing hakmat jong ke ka kinong pedia jong ke karkhana kumno ba kini kren ti kita ki mat jongi rewala kataru nagleng jongi kum kaseng ginang ye tre rengkat berkasinong hage bedi bat ki benta kumno banwan ra e jemba ha po jong de kasinong pada ha ju ko por na kaliang jungi kum kaseng hadin ba jingwan jong de kalong kumi jingwan pai na jong de kalong kumi na kaliang jungi kaseng ha ke bedi bat ka benta ngi chania ha ka bor jong ka ain kumno ba ka de ban le ha ke bedi bat ka benta te na kaliang jungi kum kaseng ginang ye budin ginang ye tre rengkat bat kasinong ha bedi bat ka no kono ka jing jong ki khun snong bar ha ko por nge ina kaliang jong ki kaseng i kintu ye ki longkmi ki longpa ki khun samla jong dong ka than pangi dei ban long ki ba pikir pa kumno ban wara ye ge ya ge jingkla na badak kri ba ge ban jong i bang ngim dei ban sha ngop ha ki ki ba ki bala man sha ye lam bakla ya pat ki la ban pen jot ya kalong ying kalong sem ke jong ngi wi te tangki de ki tin khupleship.
The Kinshi Bangla Social and Cultural Sports Club commenced the eagerly awaited third knockout football tournament 2023 at the Kinshi Bangla football ground. The event witnessed the esteemed presence of Shakliar Warjri, Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs and MLA of Mount Hadrashan constituency, along with the Deputy Commissioner of Eastern West Khasi Hills District, Gideon Kharmauplang, and W. Masar, BDO of Mount Hadrashan block. The audience was also graced by the participation of students from various schools and other distinguished guests. The tournament kicked off with an exciting clash between Changchaprang FC and Mausinrap FC. Changchaprang FC took an early lead, dominating the game with 3 goals. However, Mausinrap FC fought back valiantly, managing to score 2 goals. Despite their efforts, they couldn't secure another goal, ultimately leading to Changchaprang FC emerging as the victors with a final score of 3-2.
Ayo pemain hujat pesisir dari Ramadan. Kumulawi sadar meneng kenal sem arja terkendali. dari kesini ke Benikong, dia kau bawa ni kerja dengan Ramadan. Pernah kenal terapor dari kesini ke Benikong, dia kau mengabat mai itu. Apapun mengenai keren pun kiong Pak Mandri itu dulu. Nama dia mau pada like keren lah. Mereka orang berbersih, ngomong keren. Bahkan dia kesini berhadu bahasa sisin panen jauh benar dia kerja dengan Ramadan. Dia kata tahu song ada kejutan kau. Dia kata ayo mengayu kita sisin dengan Ramadan dan sakit ini kau ni. Kaya ang gusto nga ng sinta niya before, angin ko di Peit, yawan angin yung Peit, ball, yung Peit yung final. Kaya ang gusto nga ng side, si Craig Balipot. Lalu, yung mga job in election, lalu pumalalong ko, minister ng sports and youth affairs. Ang higing Rio Banay, nalit-piling saulong yung nagkajala ko dyan. Ako po yung district, nalit, saya kau mengenai dulu, perkenalkan kita mentaki program kita pakai. Balang itu ini ada kejutan. Apa ini Indri pernah ya kau melayok mengenai ini saudara juga mengejelas begini. Apa mengenai kita program juga sports juga pakai, lalu football, lalu kedua sports tu. Mana ini ada kejutan. Ya kau mengenai bapak lo ikut sama juga mengejelas begini dan kita ketahui. Dan kesat apa untuk mungkin kita. Pada awal Julai di program juga pakai juga sports, permawan mereka di Kebomentaru. Maju air musim, yang ikut sama players. Maju ini, balari ikwa, balari dani katakan jiangut. Balari ikwa berpulung ini kata jiangut terjuni. Lara dani kata sok. Kasat terjumpi kalau orang ke football, kalau orang ke basketball, kalau orang ke dulu sports. Ini ni kerjaan mud yang komuniti Shillong. Maju air mesin ini, pengajuan ini, balar bidan ni kerjaan mud ini berlong diberi berkhususan. Kalau kita kam, lain ke dulu sports yang pengikwa mengikio, niha pemilong diberi berkhususan. Niha beri practice dan performance. Bagi yang berserkan, ini yang juga government. Kalau ini beri upaya berpun, di pemilih program berpikir, yang berai katakan rensan, mereka tak ikut sama ini yang berkumpul besar berkumpul. Ikiu Shillong, bahawa ini yang berkeren, bermisi ibat, berkilong kita di players dan kilong kita di beri kita berpaunam itu jelas. Ibu government. Bidan ni kata jiangut, untuk serkar, bidan ni kata jiangut. Yang begini ikut sama begini, begitu begini. Lalu maka baru berbentar, berkamtam maka sports. Ini bentar keling serkar, keling saudong, niai, di madang bagian nak kita ikut sama. Niai berpul di jingkam, apa ikut sama begini kita berbentar lagi maka sports kemampuan kita. Banyak bermenru, banyak ini kedokteran kejuni, ini lepo kekisi belum, kekisi sedang kita ikut sama, berkiu bermarai kenam, om tan bertaka Shillong dari bermarai kenam, nak bertaka celah di bawah. Ada ni kata jenanglut, banyak kalian kejunan belum beli, akan juga opor menteri juga, bos sendiri face, nak ulang ini, mengenai ni kata jenang terilang berpilih sama. Yang kami berkat, gunung yang kentiu, ini pun sama begini. Gunung yang kentiu, ini sports bermati ini. Begini yang kata sini terang. Nama lain bilang, tentang ubahnya merawai ulah berkentiu di barok kata kalau berbagai. Ini kami yang sini terang, apa yang jumpi di sports club, apa yang jumpi di sana, jumpi Shillong. Ini kami yang sini terang. Dia hadir kata si Trilang yang kembali selo pada menanti selalu susu. Semua orang ini kermen, aku ini ski. Antara ini posisi kecil dan ini pokok posisi jadi mereka nak jelas baru kau ini kermen. Kami sedang ibu pun ikut sama ini menanti susu. Di Peit, nak yang juga sports department, Ibu pun di program Hobi Peit juga aspire betul tadi kau ini program ini. Di Peit kini benar belajar ikut melakukan keren apakah media ru kita ini program juga pun di program angin pada hari kosong kursi tidak belum di program dekos sebenarnya. Ibu pun di program angin sports ini. Mereka mau ini angin besar ye krisistem dalam di Peit bak kontam dalam di pun sama. Dan kalian bagaimana sudah antara jungkir bot kita ini di akhir di tim. Bag habawan bersaki mereka football final. Menjuang bahwa dan kata jangut dengan bagi pun sama tujuan bagi lembut akan kemadan ini kosong. Bagi dia susu salon bagi kuih seksa ke level tidak pernah kayu nak kontak ke India. Nam international team ada ini kerjaan lari Peit mentah kami kerja begini di Bosco belak kau nama football matrai mati be football titik ha way belak kau nama bayu jin belak kau lalakai ke national level di Bosco dilalakai ke national level ada lu kata kerjaan mut pada kami kedong bertahan kami kesenang begini incident kita pun sama berempau berkumpul dan kita Mengalami ini kalian berdoa kumulukul lagi, mandoni kata kaji itu dalam berarti. Jika bagi berkat, bakumuni nak kentil, responsi berkuih, dan tolong akan mengambil responsi.
Former headman of Mai Lom Thangding, Tarsius Dekar, met with EM Elaka PNSA today to address the prolonged absence of a headman in the region. The meeting aimed to instruct the Chief Elaka Lingkot to conduct an election to fill this critical leadership position that has remained vacant for over a year. Residents of Mai Lom Thangding expressed their grievances to the media after the meeting with PNSA. Issues ranging from difficulties obtaining residential certificates to challenges with assessing government schemes like the job card were highlighted. Furthermore, the absence of a headman has exacerbated problems related to handling local matters such as dealing with deaths in the community. Tarsius Dekar, the former headman, emphasized that it has been 1 year and 4 months since the region has been without a headman, leading to significant hardships for the residents. The community now appeals to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC) to intervene and instruct the Chief of Elaka Lingkot to promptly organize elections to select a new headman.
Ba mentala hisna saulai himda da masna mutsia da bisna mutsia ida da bitik sukhiya ba bene kota kumta kani gala kia ka apply trick bunai sam arja afwa nadu to trick ida ya ap community ila pa ila senda jadi ila ka ko ban plong na darbar na ngi yo masna mutsia ila ya ap jana bunai Kebele ye kilong kini kita pak Wisnu kita ni kedui mak kalau kerpat ye ben pulang nak kerbat ben yo Wisnu berpura ada yang senang. Data adin bai serdar jadi senang. Agak kami tu menai berniau arja lapuan gila lek rakyat ini kerkuat syarat diskonsel. Bahkan simkir yo jadi macam mai nama kilong syaitan pai pak Iksuk insan lagi jengdan di rumah semua. Ia penting syar CM barim ba kita sekarang berkat baru ia menjadi akal jangka kaunser ben persniau haki ba ini dia di rumah semua pura. Kecoba haki kawan akan nyentrik menemas. Ai direction yang sudah berulang ia kan jinjir rumah semua. Henry katakan kesembilan pulang. Kalau pun kawan mesti kau haka sampai April ada April. Jika ni negara sedar pelan kia kalau sejak ajar itu. Nanti haka April August ada April dah. Hanya kita ai mesti berpeluang election. je dia macam ni kata kita ikno te dia kata novel naglem dini ki noksam ilawan itu yang universiti yang bermain dalam pilihan terpadu itu bikin talk ba ilai ke dilakukan ilawan itu ia ke aku itu mengenai September tahun ini ajar flight Yusuf nama kali kendu masipun mari pun kampung terus ni yang semula kendu ini isu air bikin talk syai ila simul bikin talk IT bikin talk syau yang chat ilaga ba financier mentak sini ka mentak sini ni lawan kendu i marmat ila khot ini ba ka kung gajing ong itu ni ila kular dengan dia kloin kan dia kan tinggal jengir ila banjo ni ba pilih boleh no gajing jejak di perpandus nama boleh bagai mentak sistem supply imperial tinggal kalian jengi kungki peran masyarakat ni kuat pada kan
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.